If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After you have finished creating your initial vendors within your QuickBooks company file, you should then enter any clients and cases who owed you money as of the start date of your company file. You can always add additional clients and cases as the need arises later on. Note that clients are often referred to within the QuickBooks program as customers, while your cases, matters, and projects are collectively referred to as jobs. Therefore, you enter both your clients and cases as customers and jobs into the customer job list within QuickBooks. To enter your clients into QuickBooks, please review the lesson titled The Customers and Jobs List in Chapter 3. To enter your cases into QuickBooks, please review the lesson titled Creating a Job in Chapter 18 to learn how to enter jobs for customers into QuickBooks. When creating the cases or projects and matters as jobs within the New Job window, you should note that it's very common for a single case to have multiple billing rates. You may also have differing rates for each client or case. You should take advantage of the custom fields within the customers list to create multiple custom fields, such as partner rate or paraprofessional rate, for example. You should review the lesson titled Using Custom Fields in Chapter 3 to review the process for creating custom customer fields if needed. You can enter these rates into the Additional Info tab when creating a new job to show the various rates available for that client or case when creating invoices. This allows you to easily override the default billing rate associated with the line items for a specific case when creating invoices for this matter in the future. You should also add these custom billing rate fields to your invoice templates so they will appear when performing data entry within the invoice template, but will not appear in the printed version you send to clients. To learn how to add custom fields to invoices, you should review the lesson titled Performing Advanced Customization in Chapter 17. When customizing the invoice, click the Header tab to show any custom customer fields you have created. You can then check the screen checkbox next to those client billing rate fields so that they will be available on screen when creating the invoice. This will allow the user who creates the invoices to see the rates available for the case and override the line item rates if needed. However, these rates will not display on the printed copy that you then send to the client. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.